Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about our quality sleep. How to recognize those reasons which are disturbing our quality sleep. Because as we know, sleep is the most important thing in our life according to Ayurveda. We cannot ignore sleep, and many people says like whether you are sleeping or not sleeping, it's not going to matter at all. But I would like to say in Ayurveda, sleep is considered as one of the three pillars of life, that is ahar, nidra and celibacy. So these are the three things which are most important thing for life, because as without food we cannot live, similarly without sleep also we cannot live. Because you would have noticed this day we have not slept well, in the morning when we get up, how we feel like a lot of heavy, sometimes body pains we are feeling, sometimes we feel very irritated, sometimes a lot of non-stop thoughts are going in the morning. Sometimes we are not able to get up in the morning. We are not feeling at all fresh. Sometimes we are feeling a lot lazy. So today's video is about the ruling out the causes, like what can be the possible causes according to doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and what kind of sleep patterns, which of the doshas can be disturbed, because there are certain sleep patterns in which our Vata dosha is disturbed, that's what causes these certain kind of sleep patterns. In certain cases, Pitta dosha is disturbed, that causes certain kind of sleep patterns, and in certain cases Kapha dosha is disturbed, that's why it causes certain kind of patterns. So in this video we are going to learn about certain patterns of sleep and how to recognize these patterns and how to treat the cause behind it. So let's see how Ayurveda can help us to sleep in a better way and ruling out the cause of disturbed sleep. Have you ever noticed when a person sleep, like when we sleep, what exactly happens when we sleep? Do we think anything in sleep? No, because even mind is working maybe, but it is not in our awareness, or we are not perceiving like this thought is coming in mind, that thought is coming in mind. We don't know. It suddenly there is suddenly we lost the connection between our thoughts and us, or we can say when we withdraw our activity from the process of the thought, we usually sleep. So there can be two ways to sleep, and either our body should be excessively tired, then we fall asleep very easily, or if our body has not been so much tired, then we unconsciously we are detaching ourselves from the process of thinking, and that's how we sleep. Proper sleep is extremely important for the nourishment of the body, happiness, strength, gaining power in the morning, like to enhance our energy levels and our knowledge. So sleep becomes extremely important, because you would have noted the day we have not slept well, that day we don't want to even eat food. Even our digestion is not proper if we are not sleeping well, and even we whole day we are feeling some kind of laziness, and sometimes needle kind of sensations throughout the body, sometimes body pains and extreme tiredness, and whole day we feel just oozing all the time or yarning all the time. So that's how even clinically, if you don't sleep 2-3 days, it doesn't affect clinically, but you would see, if you see in life sciences, definitely it makes a lot of difference when you are not sleeping properly. Now let's try to understand why we are not able to sleep. Many times when we are not able to sleep, what exactly happens? We go to bed, we sleep, and we see like our mind is just non-stop working. The time we put our head on the pillow, exactly that time our mind will start working like non-stop, one thought after another, one thought after another, one thought after another. If you are also facing this kind of problem, like whenever you put your head on pillow and these thoughts are non-stop going on your mind, that means this kind of pattern of sleep is because of disturbed Vata dosh. So whenever your Vata got disturbed, it activates the Rajasic component of the mind, that is movement, unnecessary movement of thoughts, and non-stop, it is like train of thoughts, you are not able to stop these thoughts. So if this is happening, this happens because of disturbed vata dosha, or vata dosha is imbalanced. Now let's see how we can tackle this with Ayurveda. What are the Ayurvedic components and yogic components that can help us to sleep better? So one thing is, because it's a vata disturbance, in these kind of situations for you, it is extremely beneficial that you spend some time into yoga and pranayam and meditation, because meditation means stillness. So whenever these kind of non-stop thoughts are going in mind, you invest yourself into meditation and yoga. And if you are beginner in yoga, you have no idea about yoga, and you see like these thoughts are non-stopping thoughts and you need to pop up pills, give it a try, give some try to yoga, and you see it's the change and the benefits that you will get in your life once you start doing yoga. And if you are very beginner in yoga, you have no idea about yoga, you can start with a very simple practice, that is Isha Kriya. There is a link below, or if you want to know what is this Isha Kriya practice, you please write down to us. We will guide you how to start this practice of Isha Kriya. It's very simple 21-minute practice, but it will relax your mind in a tremendous way, and you will be able to sleep, because it is very helpful in balancing your vata dosha, because it brings stability in your mind. So this is one thing that you can do to avoid this kind of problem. You can also try the sounds of nature. There is a link below if you would like. That is also like to be with the sound of natural sounds, then it helps you in making your sleep better. So this is one way. This kind of sleep happens like when you are not able to sleep directly when you put your head on the pillow. This is because of disturbance of vata dosha. There is another kind of disturbance in which you are able to sleep. When you put your head on the pillow, you are able to sleep, but suddenly at 2 o'clock and at 4 o'clock you just become awake for no reasons, and you feel extremely active, and that much active that you don't want to go into the bed again. It feels like you are very active, like you are ready for the day. If this kind of sleep you are feeling, and still you don't feel very fresh but active, body is tired but you feel active, if this kind of problem is happening, this is because of. In addition to that, there is another kind of pattern in which you are sleeping very well, you are going to bed by 10 o'clock, 10:30, but in the morning you are not able to get up, like even if it is 8 o'clock in the morning, you are not able to get up. So this kind of sleep pattern is happening when you have disturbed sleep because of. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with friends, because maybe this video is helpful for someone who is in need. At the same time, if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to click the bell icon and hit the subscribe button, so that you will stay in tune with our upcoming videos. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I am very grateful to you. And with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.